Hey everyone, greetings from HalfDev. Today we are going to unbox the best case for the OnePlus 5T, which of course is a Spigen. The reason I have chosen the Spigen case is because I was using the same when I had my old OnePlus 2. During that time it was the best case in terms of both the protection and aesthetics. It seems to be a good packaging, especially for something that is designed to protect something else. Which I mean if it was a fragile product it's okay, but for a case this kind of a packaging is awesome. Kudos for Amazon. So now we have the product with us, so let us move everything else aside. As you can see, there is a military grade drop test logo there, and also a OnePlus 5T branding is there in the top. Similarly, it does support the air cushion technology that has in other Spigen cases. Similarly, in the back side we have the installation instructions along with the product data. So now let us open it up and see what's inside. As you can see, the case is wrapped in another plastic cover, so let's take it out. It seems that the plastic cover is not sealed. You can directly open it up and there's nothing else inside the box. This is the case. You have a Spigen logo inside along with the texture. Similarly, you have the air cushion branding on the top, and when you go to the back side of the case, you have two carbon fiber strips, one in the top and another in the bottom, and the buttons are clickable with air gaps. Then as you can see, the cuts are perfect for the alert slider. Now let us put the phone inside and see how it works. So it's very perfect fit, so you can feel while you're inserting your phone it's a bit hard. You have to push a little harder on each corner. So here you go. It feels very perfect. The bezels feel intact. It does not move when you're trying to pull it away. As you can see, the camera and fingerprint is having a perfect cuts. Similarly, the buttons, let us see how it works. So it's super clickable, doesn't feel that you're on top of a case. Pretty much that's for me guys. So if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please consider subscribing by pressing the button below. Similarly, please share our videos, like and comment on social media platforms. So once again, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.